My turn. Express the following ratio in simplest form. This means with whole numbers. So, for the first one, it's very similar to what we've just done. I've got 12 and I've got 18. I start by considering the common factors. The common factors between 12 and 18 are 2, 3, and 6, the highest of those being 6. If you want to use smaller steps, you can, but if you're happy jumping straight to that highest common factor, that will save you just a little bit of time. There are 2 6s in 12 and 3 6s in 18. That is my answer. 2 and 3 are both prime. I can't do anything more. The next one, I've got 2.5 to 7. I've got a decimal. I need to get rid of it. When I see 0.5, we know that 0.5 add 0.5 is 1. So I know if I double it, I'll get a whole number. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to times both sides by 2. 2.5 times 2, or £2.50, twice is 5. Ever get stuck with decimals? Think of it as money. It makes things a little bit easier. 2 times 7 is 14. Now I have whole numbers. 5 is prime, so unless it goes into 14 without giving a decimal answer, I leave it there. Pause the video, take a look at the examples, and have a go at your turn. So, your turn. First of all, I've got 10 and 25. I look at 10 and 25. They're not both even, so I can't go dividing by 2. They're not in the 3 times table. I know 10 certainly isn't. But I take a look, they end in a 0 and a 5, which means they're both in the 5 times table. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. Remembering, always do it to both sides, not just the one. There are 2 5s in 10 and 5 5s in 25. 2 and 5 are both prime, so I can't do anything more. The next one, both of my values are actually decimals, but they're both 0.5. As we discussed in the previous example, when I have 0.5, I know if I double it, if I times it by 2, I will get a whole number. So I've got 1.5 to 3.5. I'm going to times both sides by 2. I'm going to get 3 to 7. 3 and 7 both being prime numbers. I can't do anything. I actually wouldn't be able to simplify it in any other way. It would have to be those values. Those decimals aren't what we're looking for. Use these examples to answer the following questions.